Yellow spinners, Alex is here and you're on penstock, channel about pen spinning. And in today's video I want to make a comparison of two super mods for smooth and stylish spin. Great Ajisay Comssa and great Emboss Playcolor 2. I hope this video would help you to make your own choice. At least one of these two mods has to be in every collection of every pen spinner with a self-respect. By the end of this video you will know which mod I chose for myself, for my collection, and why. And also you will be able to poll for the mod you like more, also closer to the end of this video. So, both pens have emboss caps, Anyball grips in them and Signo tips. Per se they have nothing else in common, but despite of different length, weight and bodies, these two mods have some slight similarity in spinning, or it's only the way I see it. It appears that caps and tips play a very big role in spinning. They seem to be able to make the feelings of spinning of two different mods more similar, more than barrels can do that. Tell me what you think about that in the comment section below this video on YouTube. Ajisay Comssa is 22 cm long and its weight is only 12 gram. Emboss PC2 is 8 mm shorter, 21.2 cm long and 2.5 gram heavier. It is a pretty big difference, 2.5 gram. Nevertheless, Ajisay Comssa has significantly better momentum, though both mods have killing momentum, better than some heavy mods have. The main difference between these pen mods is in barrel. Ajisay has Comssa body, light and slim, so slim that emboss cap sits too freely on it. As time passes it may shift to the center. After about a month or so of spinning Ajisay Comssa, I noticed that my mod became much shorter. It has lost more than 1 cm of length, and it influenced on both spinning and the appearance of the mod. Of course, you can easily fix that by simply putting the cap back. Probably you also can put on more tape on the plug or make it stickier. Emboss PC2 doesn't have such problems. It has great Playcolor 2 as a barrel. You can also know it by the name of the mod. Ajisay Comssa, Emboss Playcolor 2. Creativity. That's a very nice body. It feels nice, made nice, and also mixes with some of the emboss caps, as you can see. At the same time, this body is heavier and takes some momentum from the mod. Due to design property, Ajisay Comssa can have 4 additional sections of Anyball grips on both caps and stay in light mod segment at the same time. It is a great advantage against today's opponent. They add really good momentum and customization options. Plus they are good for doing wipers. After all, it is not so comfortable to do wipers with bare caps. Fingers slide willingly and of course it becomes easier to drop the pen. While with grips, fingers stick to mod much better. And if you would add some grips on Emboss PC2, it would cross the line between light and average weighted mods. How it would affect its spinning, you can find it out by yourself. Just pick up some Anyball grips together with the mod on penstock.net, where you can find everything for pen spinning with the delivery all over the world. I didn't check that out. I used to trust into professional pen modders, especially regarding top mods, famous and admitted. But if you feel call of modding, if you want to experiment with the design and check out what would happen if you replace Signo tips with Faber tips, for example, welcome! In section with spare parts on penstock.net you will find everything you may possibly need. So, have you figured out which mod I chose for myself? Yes. Ajisay Comssa. This is one of my main mods for about 1 or 2 months now. You know, I often change main mods, as every pen spinner should do from time to time. Especially if you don't have much time and want to get maximum effectiveness out of each pen spinning session. Ajisai Comssa is easy to control, it is one of the lightest mods. At the same time, it spins great as well, and you can do power tricks with it comparatively easy. It must be admitted, however, that Emboss Playcolor 2 is elegant and very good looking mod. It can add much more smoothness to your style and can teach you to control pens better, due to its slightly worse momentum. I mean, it spins great, but not that great. Mod doesn't spin by itself as Ajisai Comssa. You have to add some effort. Emboss PC2 has its charm. It is more for the soul, to spend time with pleasure, freestyling and messing around. It is nice to feel, to hold, to spin and to look at too. Well, the choice is up to you as always. I just told you my personal opinion. If you have the same or maybe another point of view, let me know about that in the comment section. Also, right now you can see the poll. Click it and choose one of them so we could see if audience agrees with me or not. Till the next video, may the style be with you. Bye.